The popular heat press range from AM.CO.za makes use of sublimation paper for printing and makes use of 4 colors of ink for all designs. These are cyan, magenta, yellow and black. It is a high-grade, long-lasting ink that is specifically designed for heat pressing, and it is very cost-effective. Also because now you don't have to keep purchasing new cartridges for your printing. AM.CO.za has become a one-stop shop for all your heat pressing needs, from the heat press itself to sublimation paper, to the ink, and to a wide and interesting range of sublimation blanks. These you can find at sublimationblanks.co.za. All you need to do is find a suitable printer, and for most applications, a normal office printer is good enough. For more information on suitable printers, visit our technical website at sorted.co.za. And we also stock all the spare parts for your heat presses, which you can purchase separately. And for the purchase of AM.CO.za heat presses or spare parts, sublimation paper and ink, please call AM.CO.za sales on 060 600 6000. Thank you for watching.